Back to my channel Alim Math Blog. So my dear student, today our question is if 5 to the power x into 7 to the power x square is equal to 35, then find the value of x. So student, in this video I will tell you how to find the value of x from this exponential equation. So my dear student, our given exponential equation is 5 to the power x into 7 to the power x square is equal to 35. So student, to find the value of x from this exponential equation, so first of all you have to take the log on both sides. Okay student. So after taking the log on both sides, then we have to write on the left hand side log of 5 to the power x into 7 to the power x square is equal to, so we have to write on the right hand side log of 35. Okay student. So student, to simplify left hand side and right hand side of this equation, so we have to apply this formula. Log of a into b is equal to log of a plus log of b. So student, apply this formula on both sides, then we have to write on the left hand side log of 5 to the power x plus log of 7 to the power x square is equal to, right hand side here is log of 35. So 35, that means 5 into 7. Okay. So log of 5 into 7, log of 35, that means log of 5 into 7. So on the right hand side we have to write log of 5 plus log of 7. Okay. So my dear student, after that we have to transpose log 5 from right side to left side, and from the left hand side we have to transpose log of 7 to the power x square from left hand side to right side. Okay. So on the left hand side we have to write log of 5 to the power x minus, if you transpose log 5 from right side to left side, so on the left hand side you have to write log of 5 to the power x minus log of 5 is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write log of 7 minus log of 7 to the power x square. Okay. So student, after that, so student, to find the value of x from this equation, so again we have to apply the formula log of a to the power n is equal to n into log of a. So this formula we have to apply on both sides. Okay. So after apply this formula on both sides, then we have to write on the left hand side 5 into log of x into log of 5 minus log of 5 is equal to, on the right side we have to write log of 7 minus, after apply this formula we can write in here x square into log of 7. Okay student. So my dear student, after that, so student, on the left hand side here is x into log of 5 minus log of 5. So we can take common log of 5 from two terms. So we have to write log of 5, and inside this first bracket we have to write x minus 1 is equal to, so student, on the right hand side here is log 7 minus x square into log 7. So we can take common log 7 from these two terms. Okay. So we can write log of 7, and inside this first bracket we have to write 1 minus x square. Okay. So student, after that we have to divide left hand side and right hand side of this equation by log of 7. Okay. So student, on the right hand side we have to cancel log 7 from numerator and denominator. Okay. So student, on the left hand side you have to write log of 5 over log of 7 into x minus 1 is equal to, on the right hand side you have to write 1 minus x square. Okay student. So student, on the left hand side here is log of 5 over log of 7 into x minus 1. Okay. So student, we can apply the formula of a over log of b is equal to log of a to the base b. So this formula we can apply So this formula we can apply on the left hand side. Okay, so we can write in here log of 5 to the base 7 into, again we have to write x minus 1 is equal to, on the right hand side again we have to write 1 minus x square. Okay, so after that, so student, we have to transpose 1 minus x square from right side to left side. Okay, then the left hand side will becomes log of 5 to the base 7 into x minus 1 minus 1 minus x square. Okay, is equal to 0. So my dear student, after that we have to write log of 5 to the base 7 into x minus 1 minus. So my dear student, so now we have to take common minus from these two terms. So we have to write this minus will be plus, and we have to write x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So student, after that again we have to write log of 5 to the base 7 into x minus 1 plus, so we can apply the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this formula we have to apply on this algebraic expression. So we can write in here x plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so on the left hand side here is two terms. Okay, in both terms x minus 1 is present, so we can take common x minus 1, and inside this first bracket we have to write log of 5 to the base 7 plus, so after taking the common x minus 1, so in this term here is left x plus 1 from this term, so we can write in here x plus 1 is equal to 0. So student, after that we have to apply the zero product rule. So we can write after applying the zero product rule, we can write from this equation x minus 1 is equal to 0 and log of 5 to the base 7 plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so now we have to transpose minus 1 from left hand side to right hand side in this equation. Okay, the value of x will be 1 of this equation. Okay, and again we have to transpose log of 5 to the base 7 and 1 from left hand side to right hand side. So on the left hand side we have to write x is equal to, on the right hand side we can write minus 1 minus log of 5 to the base 7. Okay, so student, we can take common minus 1 from these two terms. So okay, so we have to write in here minus 1 into 1 plus log of 5 to the base 7. Okay, so student, write only minus. Okay, and inside this bracket in the place of 1 we have to take log of 7 to the base 7. Okay, so student, our formula is log of a to the base a is equal to 1. So according to this formula we can write in the place of 1 log of 7 to the base 7 plus, again we have to write log of 5 to the base 7. So student, so now we can apply this formula log of a into b is equal to log a plus log b. Okay, after apply this formula on this expression, so we can write in here log of 5 into 7 to the base 7. Okay, so it will be minus log of 35 to the base 7. Therefore the value of x is equal to 1 or minus log of 35 to the base 7. Okay, so my dear student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.